The first thing is that we have to configure the P2P traversal service on OMIP-PBX. So first is you have to log in as admin. So when you have the OM50G, you have to log in as admin for that one. Then you have to go to the page which you need to verify that the cloud service is enabled. So you can go to this one, the device IP address, then you have to type with cloud slash dot html. So in this page, yeah. So in this page, you need to make sure that the cloud service is enabled. Then you can see that the status is connected successfully. So in this way, you are now ready that your device is connected successfully to the cloud service because our P2P is using the cloud server. You have to go back to the menu. Then on the basic remote access page where you can see the P2P traversal. So by the way, guys, here we cannot do, we cannot enable both the port mapping and the P2P. You have to choose only one. So if you want to use the P2P traversal, you have to disable the port mapping, anything configurations related to that one. So now we're going to enable P2P. So in my case, I have enabled that already. Then after enabling that, you have to save. Then you must restart your device. Okay. Let us say that we have to restart that to make sure that everything is okay for our configuration today. So at this stage, you don't have to do anything, especially for any configuration or do something on the power supply. So make sure that the device is rebooting successfully. Otherwise, the status is not successful. Okay, so in this stage, the most important thing is that the status for the P2P traversal should display connection successful. So it will give a secure access code. So let us enter N1. Yeah, to make sure that it is successfully connected. Okay, so here you can see that there is a registrar for external terminal. So this one, right? So this one is a generated domain name for the SIP extension registration. So once again, this is the domain name that you need to use for the SIP extension registration. So let us go to the first stage. So here, yeah, this is the IP extension, right? So as you can see here, there are some extensions that are already registered. So let us try to see to register one of the IP phone. So here, I need to register an IP phone. So say for example, I'm using our NRP 1202. So I need to go to the line. Yeah, okay, let us deactivate this one. So to make sure that we have deactivate this, okay? Yeah. So as you can see that this should also display here. As you can see, the status of 302 is offline. So I need to register this IP phone using the domain name that I get from the P2P. So I go to my NRP phone, go to the line, then I need to input the credentials, the username 302, the display name, authentication, the password, as you can see here. Yeah, this is the PIN code or the password that you need to use. So I need to input 579119. So after that, I need to input the server address. So this is uh, the register for external terminal. As you can see, this 599.319.3E01D. See, this is the domain name that we can found here. Yeah, I just simply copy that. You can also do that to copy. So copy that one, then input here. So the server port should be inputted here. So our P2P service must use the server port 5090. So after that, yeah, I think these are the credentials that is very important for the line. So you have to activate. Okay, then apply. Yeah, you cannot update. So that's okay. So we were trying to register. So as you can see here, the line is already registered using the domain name provided by the registrar for external terminal. So this is the domain name for the SIPS extension registration. So anywhere I go, I can use my NRP phone from one place to the other place. Just make sure that I have the internet connection. So to see if this is already connected successfully, you can go to OM side, then try to see that the line is already online. So that is how to register the IP phone. So now the question is that if I have my MX gateway, how can I register? So you can also try to register that. So we can try to register 306, maybe to go to this gateway. I have this gateway already on my side. So let us try to, yeah. So as you can see, this is my gateway. I need my gateway to register to the OM50G using the generated domain name for the SIP extension. So I would like my gateway to register, yeah, to register to the OM50G. So all I need to do is just simply input. See, as you can see, I copy everything with the server port. So you can enter that. Then if I want to register per line, per gateway, let's try to say per gateway. Then I need to input the IP address, the username and the password. I think we can try to see the password for 306 094 015. Yep. Let's try to save. Configuration has been saved. Okay. So we can see the status for the line. Yeah, you can see here that the status is successful. So all line, because we registered the gateway per gateway, so all line should be registered. And we can verify that on the OM itself. So here, and we need to see the 306. Yeah, as you can see, 306 is successfully registered to the OM50G. So yeah, that is how to register the device, our IP phone, our MX gateway. So now we're trying to register the mobile extension. So how to know we have the mobile extension? So yeah, let us. Okay, let me try to share my phone so we can see. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that you enable the Weiwei here. So as you can see here, we enable the Weiwei. Then at the right side, you can see the QR code. Shall we say I will try to register 305. So I need to scan this one using my Weiwei app. Okay, let me try to share you my screen on my phone. Please hold on. Okay, where's that? Okay, I need to share. Oh, screenshot. Yeah, you can see my screenshot, guys. Okay, I need to press this one. Oh, oh, but problem now is I need to. Okay, yeah, I need to scan this. As you can see, I need to press that, then account, then add an account. So this is the, you need to press this scan code. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So you can see here, guys, that the 305 is successfully registered once a green button displays on the left side of the extension number. So let me share you my screen. Yeah. Okay, again, I have to share my screen here. Let me share my screen. Okay. So I need to refresh this one. Okay, here you go. As you can see, 305 is already registered using Weiwei mobile app registered on my OM50G. So yeah, so I think that's all for, I mean, adding or configuring our IP phone, mobile phone, and the MX gateway. So it's just so easy application, guys. So you just have plug and play features, then you just simply scan. And the best thing is that you don't have to go through with all those configurations related to your networking. So you don't have to do the port mapping configurations, and you don't have to how to say that, you don't have to hire an IT staff. So all those scenarios, it's very applicable, especially if you have multi branches and if you want to do the mobile office and remote office. So it's very easy to use the P2P traversal service of our OM series. So yeah, I think that's all for my part today, guys. I just have to show you how we're going to configure the remote access with peer-to-peer configurations. And um yeah, if you have some questions right now, you can freely ask.
Thank you, Romeo. Now we'll enter into the Q&A part.
Mm, there's some questions here. Chat.
Oh, now we have a question. Where to download Weiwei is not at Google Store.
You can download on our website. So you can let me show you the website where you can download here. Um, there's a link where you can download the applications. Okay. Yep. Oh, here you can download here. Just simply scan, then you will download the API key for the uh, Android phone. For iOS, it is available on the Apple Store. Yeah, so I would really encourage each and everyone, especially that you are using our IP-PBX, to take this chance to use the P2P traversal feature. So this is really a very big advantages that we can offer to our clients.
Oh, we have a question. How to add
Mhm.
more than one DID numbers for SIP trunk from Rush?
How to add more than one DID number? So usually for the devices that we have right now, you can set here, go to the trunk group. Yeah, say for example, this is the trunk. So usually you can for the inbound route you can set the ID or auto attendance. So if you want to set the ID, yep, you can set extension or through the hand group. In the hand group there are several extensions you can set. So you can put I think up to 30 extensions in one group.
If we don't have one more questions, we will
Yes.
end up here, and we will upload this training video on the YouTube. Please feel free to go to YouTube, search for the New Rock YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you, Ramil.
Okay, thank you, Joanna. Thank
Okay.
you guys. Have a nice day everyone. Keep safe.
Yeah, keep safe. Bye.
Bye.